Our third question here is EX and IN. For an EX ilium, as the PSIS moves externally, the musculature will stack up over the insertion and we'll get a narrower glute. As an IN, it'll pivot inward. That's going to stretch the origin out over the insertion, and it will appear wider if the PSIS has gone medially or in. So we're going to look at the glutes. Best not to come in from below to do this. Go to the top of the muscle. You can pull your pants up just a little bit. Top of the muscle, we're going to catch the top edge of the gluteal cleft and the outside edge of the muscle. You can see right there's where the glute max is. And we compare it to the other side. And he is actually narrow on this side, wide on the other. So there's your IN, and this one's your EX. So now we're going to check EXIN mechanically. We're going to see if we can pick up the motion here. So for this one, you just scoot forward on the chair just a little bit. I want some room so he can swing the leg. This is not going to produce a lot of motion, but it'll produce enough. I'm going to put my fingers right in the joint. I can feel the PSIS against my fingers here, and I can feel the sacrum against the tips of my fingers. So I'm just feeling the joint. Now as I push his knee medially, have him leave their foot on the floor, and I'm going to have him push the knee medially. I should feel this move outward. Go back to neutral. Stop in the middle. As the knee goes out, this should close up. And let's go back and check this again here. Yeah, there's a touch of movement right there. As I said, there's not much anyway. Going this way, there's nothing. Okay? So as he brings his knee out, this should press inward, shouldn't it? If it won't go in, it's out. It's external. And that's what we saw with the glute. It was narrow on that side. When I push him in, if it doesn't move when I'm pushing inward, that means this will not come out, so it's in. It's an IN ilium. So that's the SIs.